ain't got money. That's what I look like. I look like walking money. Hello my love, my name is Kiamani and I'm looking crazy right now, but that's okay. We're gonna get into it. So today I'm actually working with ISEE Human Hair, and I've worked with them before and I'm really excited about this unit. I feel like if you follow me, I just hopped in this video real quick, sorry, don't mind my lipstick, I'm kind of cute. Anyway, if you follow me on Insta, you've seen this wig already, and it was a really long wig. I had posted that I had on, and I'm like, oh my god, I've never liked a wig so much straight out the box. So if you know what I'm talking about, this is the wig, sis. This is the wig. So she is a 26-inch Malaysian straight human hair lace front wig, and again, the company is ISEE Hair. So this is what she's looking like. I haven't cut her. I really just tried her on. One thing that I did do, that I do to all of my wigs before I come on camera, because I don't want to keep doing the same thing in all of my videos, is I do bleach the knots. Well, I bleach these knots. So let me try her on real quick. I'm real sweaty. Hope you don't see my underarms. Can you tell I'm like using like my camera, like the quality? Can you tell the difference? So let me see. Okay. I didn't pluck her yet. I don't even think she really needs plucking. I look so cute with a black wig and a red lip. I know. I know. But first of all, don't mind my fit. Second of all, this wig is labeled as 26 inches. How? Wait, let me move this out the way. Actually just 24 inches. 26. This is supposed to be 26 inch, but I'm not gonna lie, this is more like a 28-30. Maybe not a 30, but definitely like a 20. Yeah, almost a 30. Look how long that is. 26. So you're definitely over. You're definitely getting your money's worth, because babe, look how long this is. I don't think I've ever had a wig that was already made that was this long. I've gotten like long bundles and I've made wigs long. I'm rambling, but you get what I'm trying to get into. So I'm gonna cut the lace, and she do have like a couple little dents and dinks. I do want to flat iron that and install her maybe with like pushed back, kind of cute, kind of fun, kind of fresh. I love this, and it's not like super thick either, because I probably said this in several videos, but thick wig wearing Kia is not a thing no more. I'm not a fan of it. I hate that for me. I really regret that. So the fact that this is long, it just looks so much more natural. Sissy, she looks natural. Who ain't got money? That's what I look like. I look like walking money. Getting too excited. Yeah, let me get some scissors so we can cut the lace. The wig, I was about to say the wig is now cut. The lace is now cut. And on the inside of the wig, we got a little bit of the lace back here. I never really know what this is for, like why, but I guess. An adjustable strap. We do have a comb back here, 3 combs, and then this is the amount of parting space that we have. So it's a decent amount, but it's not like that on the whole lace front. So I'm going to try her on. I'm so feeling this wig. Okay, so boom. So she is on, and this is the natural color of the wig. I did not dye it black. Although I love a jet black wig. I actually just recently dyed a wig black, and this looks like the same exact color. Like, it's actually not jet black, not gonna lie. It's like a brown, like a natural color. So yeah, this is what she's looking like. All the hair pulled to the front, looks like such. So this is where she hits me. Long, baby. And then all the hair to the back. I showed you this, and that's where she hits me. So that's pretty much what she's doing. I do want to put I would like to put a should I do middle part? Yeah, let's do a middle part, since we did dye the what am I saying? I'm just looking at myself in this little camera thing and this little screen, and I think I look so cute. So I need to go get the wand, because that's how I lay my wig in the top. And then once we pick the part, we're going to figure out any other small little touches we're going to fix. So let me go get the wand. I don't know why I don't get everything together before I film. But this is what bleaching your knots does. Like, it makes a huge difference in how your scalpiana actually looks. So if somebody told you bleaching your knots was like not essential, they lied. And you heard it here first. Maybe not, but you heard it here. Yeah, so I'm just going to lay this in this area. Be sure not to put it directly on the lace. And oh, I'm so damn hot, baby girl. I'm sure a hot comb will work better, but cannot find any of the hot combs in this house, so I guess. And I don't even really want to flatten it too much. I kind of do want to leave a little body, not a hump. Let's look at it from the side. Not a hump. It's not that. But an actual, you dig? You feels? Yeah. And sometimes when I do have straight hair and she's not laying how I need her to lay, I can't really tell. If she's not laying how I need her to lay, I kind of like spray her down in the roots. I gotta get up and like look, because I can't tell in this mirror. And I do kind of want to run a flat iron through. I really don't. I just dragged it. I really don't even need to do that, do I? I need to get up and see how it looks from the side. Does anybody else do that? Let me get the cord out the back. Does anybody else do that? Like, I need to get up. You see the flyaways? I'm gonna get that together. I need to get up and look at myself from the side. So we're almost done with this wig install, and bitch. Can I just be, am I in focus? Okay, cool. Can I just be honest for a second? Like, I love this. Tell me this ain't like an Instagram baddie moment. Tell me that. Did you say it? Okay, because you lied. Look at her. It's really just the length that's giving me body. Because I've gotten 26-inch straight wigs, but they were not this. Matter of fact, give me a second. Give me a sec. 1 sec. Let's see. About 27.5 inches, like I thought. I knew she wasn't 26. 26? Baby girl. I do want to do another video on me. My camera cut off. Don't remember what the last thing I said. But basically, I want to come back with a video on me curling this wig / cramping it, doing something, putting heat to it, just to see how she takes. So if you like this wig, you want to pick it up, everything on this wig will be in the comment section down. Why do I always want to say comment section? It's irritating. The description box down below. And I'll see you in my next video, sis.